Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. I've got a flashback box for you. This is on my social media where you can find me. Whoop! This is the spring 2018 Walmart beauty box. Yes, it is a flashback box. Why? Because I lost it. Yes, that's right, I lost it. And then I found it, and well, now we got fun beauty products to play with, which is good because guess what? There's deodorant there, and I'm almost out of deodorant. So let's get into the products and talk about them.
So we got the Walmart spring beauty box. Apparently the theme is embrace your beauty. I embraced losing a box, so there's that. Probably some expired coupons now because that's usually how that rolls. Anyway, I got my favorite deodorant. Like, I kid you not, it is the Degree Motion Sense Ultra Clear, black and white, doesn't show in black, doesn't show in white. This is my favorite deodorant, and you know what? I'm almost out. So the universe provides. Yes, that's right. The secret. Law of attraction. I need a deodorant. I got deodorant. Then we have Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer that glides on smoothly to lock in hydration and give you like kind of tan look, I guess. Which is awesome because guess what? Next week it's going to be 19 degrees in Chicago. Fun times. Yay! I'm going to be looking like a ghost because I'm not getting any sunlight and the sun goes down by 4 o'clock. Then, Acai Berry Revitalizing Sleeping Mask by Soo AE. Is that how you pronounce it? All I know is you wear it on your face overnight. So if you're having a sleepover and you wear this, warn everyone so people don't think they wake up next to Hannibal Lecter. Then we have Aquaphor. It's Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. Okay, here's the deal. I don't know if you can see, but I have been getting like really dry skin there. So we're gonna see if this actually works. That's right. So it's supposed to spray away dry, rough skin. So shake. Oops, I didn't shake. And then you're supposed to gently rub, which actually it does feel soothing. I don't know if it's these sweaters that I've started wearing here in Chicago or what, but lately my skin's been like, right here. So then we have Hello Fluoride Free Toothpaste. This is their whitening brand. I've never tried their whitening. It has activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. I have tried their sensitive and their regular. And what's cool about them is they're all cruelty free and stuff. And they're globally sourced and made in the USA. And they're Leaping Bunny certified, which means they don't test on animals. Then we have Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. Like, I love, one of my favorite products of all time. Like, even when I was like a teenager. Yes, the 3-Minute Miracle. Yep. Then we have Softsoap Earth Blends Coconut and Fig. I thought it was a watermelon there for a second. Body wash. Ooh, it does smell coconutty, which is awesome. And then, finally, we have an expired coupon for a box of hair color, but hey, there's still a hair tie on there. So at least I got a hair tie out of this. Yay. So there's that. That is the beauty box. That is where to find me. Woo! And I will see you next time. Stay beautiful.